Have a good day, sir. Yeah.
Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a grain hopper train. Let's check it out. I'm just turning face the engine because it wasn't even on the end.
NS 22K with UP.
It was almost at the end of the last
Queen,
train, yeah. That was a close one, yeah.
Alright, 48 heading connector, over.
We're at the grain hopper yard. We're just waiting on, we just got a train coming, I should say. Let's check it out.
22K, UP, 2576, over.
Yeah, in case you're just joining us, we're over at the Quality Inn Resorts, and this is a big grain hopper train right here.
22K, UP, 2576.
Already made
east direction, over. Alright, 22K with the UP 2576, track is clear. 22K, you have permission to exit stop, located a milepost B61.
I made,
east direction, main 1, O&E, not exceeding 25, 25, over. On that frog, go ahead and put it in, over. Sand track is clear, permission by conditional stop. Forward located at C61.72. Main number 1, east direction, not to exceed 25 mile an hour, speed of working limits, over. That is a good read back there. Let's authorize that 940. 940.
See the rear. There's the rear right there.
And we'll show that copy that's 940. 0940.
Yep, this is a big grain hopper train. Yeah, just about. 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4.
Okay, not a problem. Sounds good.
2, 4, 6.
Bye-bye.
Yep, it's 8 this time, yeah. Darn it.
I know.
There's Ryan. Broadway's line. Okay, clear White House, out.
I don't know. We're gonna see the. Well, stop here again.
CSX NG dispatch Jackson answered, oh. NG Q 56123 with that rundown when you're ready for it. Waiting, go ahead and give it to me, sir.
That's the 125 hopper on the end. Should be empty by now.
CSX T754 in the lead of CSX T5270 and a CSX T4321. All it's 3,200 gallons. Their total load is going to be 54. Empties is 123. Our tons is 11538. Our length is 10616. Power's ready for the tonnage. PTCTO are working and work.
All right, we'll stop right there. We'll stop here and on to the next video.
Departs, then you
Roll it.
track 2 at Roger.
Welcome back to the train channel. They just unhooked that last grain hopper at the end. Should get a big grain hopper train. To pick up those 4 grain hoppers over in that on that feed mill track. Let's check it out. No, it's just Tom in this one.
CSX-NG, dispatch Jackson Lantern, over. L32NG, can we get headroom off the main lead at CP27, over. Lead CP22, you guys, 27, you guys, how many you need? I'll give you all the reverses that you need. I just don't want to fleet it too many times, over. Yeah, once for sure. I don't know what our next move's going to be. If I need it again, I'll call you. Okay, for your headroom, okay, on your reverse 0943 BJ, over. Okay, reverse, thanks.
This is a grain hopper train. They're just, I don't know about the grain hopper trains. They're gonna see. They might go to Jack. They'll go to Jack here shortly. What? For the painting. Oh.
Yeah. How close are you in? We're turning on Kennedy right now. Alright, thanks. Guys in car department.
We had to get off. We had to get off.
Hey, keep,
Well, we were going to start the train videos, but we had to see first what was going on.
Hour and 13
Why?
for the C93.
Why isn't, there's like two conductors, and one's doing the train, one's doing the painting.
15 on by 65.
Yes, sir.
Got that set off BP all done. You can update it for me.
Yeah, I was just going to try to do it. They haven't arrived the train yet. I'm going to see if I can do it another way. Give me just 1 second. I'll let you know if this way works.
Yeah, it's 51 degrees outside now. We're supposed to get a high, like, in the lower to the mid-60s today.
CSX-NG, dispatch Jackson Lantern, EI 00422, go ahead with your information, over.
No, but I won't see the engine this time, no. Well, actually, in the first time, yeah, but next times, no. But we're gonna get off. We'll get back on with another train. Talk to you later.